In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Onedrive.Exe bad image error in just 5 minutes. If you've been encountering issues with OneDrive on your Windows computer, you're not alone. This error can be quite frustrating, but fortunately, the steps to resolve it are straightforward and quick to execute. Let's dive right in. First, we're going to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. This is crucial because many operations require elevated permissions to make changes to your system. To do this, press the Windows key on your keyboard, and while holding it down, press the X key. This will bring up a context menu with various options. From this list, look for an option that says either Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows Terminal, Admin, depending on your Windows version, and select it. After opening the Command Prompt or Terminal with admin rights, we're going to type a specific command that will help us with the repair process. This command is known as sfc or scanno, so carefully type sfc space or scanno and then hit the Enter key. Make sure you have typed it exactly as shown, as a single typo could cause the command not to work as intended. When you press Enter, your computer will immediately begin scanning protected system files and will automatically attempt to repair any corrupted files it detects. This scan is quite comprehensive as it checks the integrity of all protected system files and replaces corrupted ones with a cached copy located in a compressed folder at %windows/system32/dll cache. Now, it's important to note that this process might take some time, so patience is key here. Typically, the scan can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your computer's hardware and the extent of any corruption. During this time, you might want to avoid using your computer for other tasks to ensure everything runs smoothly. Once the verification process reaches 100%, it will present you with a message indicating whether it found any corrupt files and if they were successfully repaired. If any issues require further attention, you'll be informed through the command prompt. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to resolve the Onedrive.Exe bad image error. Remember, keeping your system files in check is essential for the smooth running of your operating system and applications like OneDrive. If this video helped you solve the problem, don't forget to leave a comment or a like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.